about to say that I think Ateneo is trying to keep this rotation na nasa likod si Maido. But even then, we have the likes of Ortiz in the front line who can deliver.
Let going for the angle. Vallejo blocked. Ortiz with those long with that long arm was able to push it in. A free ball. Let's see where UST will take this. Ateneo's defense was just there. Pascual giving it to Kainglet. Ortiz once more.
On the floor.
Kneeling down, takes that one. Caballejo!
Good defense from Acevedo.
Solid defense. Ateneo with a chance for a point. Oh, almost a miscue, but UST was able to send it. Manatikla, Caballejo. Jesus was there.